Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit text on Photopea. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photopea, click on your project, and from here you need to select any template. So here you can see different templates here. So let me find the one that I like. So I think this one is perfect. So we are going to use this one for example here. So once you select it, it will take some time to load. So you need to wait for a few seconds here. It depends on your system speed, I think, and some fonts are missing. So once it is added, then you simply need to click on this icon, that is magic wand, and select the object selection. Click here, and then you need to select the text like this, and then you need to go on to this character, and from here you can play around with the text like this. You can change the size as well from here, make it smaller, bigger, or you can play around like this as well. So this is the process how you can edit text on Photopea. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.